Find here Dutch city walks with 150 certified guides in 15 languages. Members of Guidor, the Dutch Guide Association. You can walk along the canals of Amsterdam and hear from your guide all about it, but there's more to see, like Enkhuizen and Hoorn. We can talk about the use of city gates like the one here in Leiden. Or the weighing house, its use in Dutch trade. Haarlem, its little courtyards and social housing. The House of Orange, royalty, like here in The Hague. A cheese market like the one here in Gouda. Edam, a lovely city town at the IJsselmeer near Amsterdam. The Hague with its Hall of Knights. Delft with the new church, its market square and town hall. Dordrecht with its harbours. And much more cities can be mentioned. All these guides have much knowledge and are happy to share it with you, even in your own mother tongue. Book them at www.guidor.nl.